That bill you just got from your BMW mechanic? Some of it is legitimate, but at least 3 of those line items you were overcharged for, and I'm going to prove it. If you drive a BMW 5 Series, an X5, or any BMW with real miles on it, mechanics are counting on one thing, that you don't know what these jobs actually cost. Not at the shop, not anywhere, and definitely not what BMW actually recommends in the first place. I've gone through 15 of the most common repairs on BMW invoices. Every single one of them has a documented pricing gap. Some of it is hundreds of dollars. Some of it is over 1,000. And a few of them, they're charging you for services you don't even need. Let's go through every one. Number 1. Battery replacement and registration. Here's what the mechanic tells you. Your BMW needs a new battery, and because of BMW's advanced electrical system, the new battery has to be registered to the car's computer. That's true. BMW's DME, Digital Motor Electronics, tracks your battery's age and adjusts the charging voltage accordingly. Skip the registration, and the system keeps charging the new battery like it's an old, worn-out one. You'd kill a brand new battery within months. So yes, registration matters. What doesn't add up is the invoice. Most shops charge between $450 and $750 for battery replacement and registration combined. One owner of a 2014 328i was quoted $750. Another paid $560 for a straightforward battery change on a 2013 X3. The truth? The battery itself, a quality AGM unit, costs $170 to $250. The registration takes 15 minutes with a tool that costs less than $200 as a one-time purchase. A good independent BMW specialist does the whole job for $250 to $350. That's up to $400 saved on a single battery swap. The job didn't change. The markup did. But that's just number 1. It gets worse. Number 2. Spark plug replacement. BMW recommends spark plug replacement every 60,000 miles on most models. On turbocharged engines, the N54 and N55 found in the 335i and 535i. Some specialists advise closer to 40,000 to 60,000 miles because of the additional heat and stress turbos generate. Fair enough. The recommendation makes sense. What doesn't make sense is what they charge. Many shops charge $150 to $180 per hour in labor and mark up parts 30 to 40% above retail. A full spark plug service for a 6-cylinder BMW typically runs $400 to $720 at most shops. One M235i owner was quoted $720. A good independent BMW specialist quoted the identical job. Same OEM quality plugs, for $380. Here's what those parts actually cost. The Bosch ZR5 TPP33S is the OEM specification spark plug for an N55. It costs about $12 each. 6 of them is $72 in parts. An hour and a half of honest labor at $100 to $130 per hour brings the total to $240 to $270. Understand that number every time a mechanic hands you a $600 spark plug quote. And here's what makes the next one even more frustrating. They do it for a service your car doesn't even need yet. Number 3. Vanos solenoid cleaning service. Vanos is BMW's variable valve timing system, fitted to virtually every BMW engine built since 1992. When it fails, and it can, you know about it. Rough idle, misfires, hesitation under acceleration, a check engine light. Specific fault codes, 2A82 and 2A87. If those codes are present, the Vanos solenoids need attention. That's a real repair. What's not real is preventive Vanos cleaning appearing on your service invoice with no fault codes, no symptoms, and no explanation beyond. We recommend it at this mileage. BMW owners with 165,000 miles on original solenoids are common. The solenoids don't need cleaning because a service interval says so. They need cleaning when the oil quality, sludge buildup, or a fault code gives you a specific reason. The fix, when it is needed, is pulling the solenoids and cleaning them with electrical contact cleaner. It takes an hour. It costs almost nothing in parts. When a mechanic bills it as a complex, specialized procedure, that's the markup talking, not the job. If you see Vanos service on an invoice and there's no fault code behind it, Ask why. If they can't answer, that's your answer. That one's about a service you don't need. The next one is about a service they push too early. Number 4. Coolant flush at the wrong interval. BMW's coolant is a long-life formula. Under normal driving, most BMWs don't need a coolant flush until somewhere around 100,000 miles, or when the condition-based service system, the CBS monitor built into your iDrive, tells you it's due. BMW designed that system specifically to track fluid condition in real time. It exists so you don't pay for services on a calendar when your car hasn't earned them yet. Most mechanics ignore it. Coolant flushes get pushed at 2-year intervals, at 4-year intervals, sometimes just because you came in for something else and the mechanic added it to the list. One BMW X3 owner at 57,000 miles was handed a recommended service sheet. Coolant flush, transmission flush, fuel injector service every 15,000 miles, driveline service every 30,000 miles. None of it appeared anywhere in his owner's manual. The total quote was $3,900. A coolant flush at most shops runs $180 to $250. A good independent specialist with BMW-approved coolant does it for $80 to $150. The job isn't complicated. The question is whether you need it at all. Before authorizing any coolant service, ask for one thing. Show me where the CBS system has flagged this, or show me the page in the owner's manual that says it's due. If they can't show you either, walk away. That one's about timing. The next one is about something that gets added to your bill without you realizing it. Number 5. Brake fluid flush and the silent bundle. BMW does recommend brake fluid changes on a regular interval, typically every 2 years. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. Absorbed moisture lowers its boiling point, which reduces braking performance under hard use. That service is real and it's worth doing. The overcharge isn't in the flush. It's in what gets added to the invoice without a conversation. BMW's condition-based service system links the brake fluid service to the cabin air filter replacement. When a shop performs your brake flush, the CBS reset for the brake service also prompts the cabin filter indicator. And many mechanics quietly add the filter to your invoice as a result. BMW's own service documentation acknowledges this linking. Most brake flush invoices include cabin filter costs because of how the monitors are tied together. A brake fluid flush at a fair independent shop runs $100 to $150. Many shops charge $200 to $270. Add a cabin filter you didn't discuss at inflated parts prices, and you're looking at another $50 to $100 on top. The rule before any brake service is simple. Ask exactly what the invoice will include before they start the car. Number 6. Oil change interval manipulation. BMW's condition-based service monitors engine temperature, driving style, and oil condition to calculate when an oil change is actually needed. On a BMW running full synthetic oil under normal use, that interval typically lands between 7,500 and 10,000 miles. BMW's own engineering built this system to prevent unnecessary servicing. Some mechanics ignore it entirely. 5,000-mile oil change intervals get recommended not because the car needs it, but because more visits mean more opportunities to flag additional services. BMW's own $249 3-year oil plan includes a maximum of 2 changes per year. If a mechanic is recommending every 5,000 miles on a CBS-equipped BMW running full synthetic, they are not following BMW's guidelines. They are following their revenue calendar. Number 7. Transmission fluid. Used against you both ways. BMW markets certain automatic transmission fluids as lifetime fill. Ask many mechanics about transmission service and they'll tell you exactly that. It's sealed for life. Don't touch it. That's convenient for them. Because a transmission service is inexpensive, and refusing to do it means no labor charge and no accountability. Here's what mechanics don't tell you. ZF, the company that actually manufactures the 8-speed automatic gearbox fitted to most modern BMWs, recommends periodic drain and fills. Independent BMW specialists routinely service this transmission around 75,000 miles. Fluid degrades under heat and load, regardless of what the marketing says. A fair independent shop does the drain and fill for $200 to $350. At most shops, quotes of $600 to $700 are common. And when a mechanic refuses service on a lifetime transmission that eventually fails, the replacement quote starts at $4,000. The overcharge runs both ways. They either won't service it and let it fail expensively, or they charge you twice what the job is worth when they do. Number 8. Timing chain fear upsell. BMW's N20, N26, and early N47 four-cylinder engines have documented timing chain vulnerabilities. On those specific engines, proactive replacement of the chain guide and tensioner is genuinely recommended, because the failures can be catastrophic. That is real, and if you have one of those engines, pay attention to it. The abuse of that fact is what costs BMW owners money. That legitimate concern, built around specific engine codes with documented failure patterns, gets extended to engines that don't share the same vulnerability. The timing chain job on a BMW can run from $1,500 to over $3,000 depending on what's included. Padding the scope of that job with components that don't need replacing, or recommending it on an engine with no symptoms and no evidence of chain stretch, inflates every invoice. Before authorizing any timing chain work, get 3 specific answers. Which fault codes are present? What is the measured chain stretch? And which components specifically need replacing? If you don't get clear answers to all 3, get a second opinion. Number 9. Diagnostic scan charged every visit. Most BMW shops charge $150 to $200 for a diagnostic scan. Plugging a computer into your OBD port and reading fault codes. On a first visit for an unknown problem, that's a reasonable charge. The abuse happens when it appears on the invoice every time you return. For a follow-up, for a related repair, for a check that takes 4 minutes with equipment the shop already owns. The honest shops charge $75 to $100 for diagnostics and absorb that cost into the repair quote if you proceed with the work. Most don't. That diagnostic fee is line item revenue. Challenge it on any repeat visit or any visit where the fault was already identified. Number 10. Brake rotors replaced when they don't need to be. BMW specifies minimum rotor thickness measurements. Below that measurement, replacement is required. Above it, the rotor is serviceable. That's a measurement, not a judgment call, and certainly not a calendar. Many mechanics treat rotor replacement as automatic anytime pads are replaced. Standard package, no inspection required. A full front axle brake service at most shops runs $800 to $1,200 for pads and rotors combined. A fair independent specialist using Brembo or Zimmermann components. The same manufacturers who supply BMW's original equipment. Does the same job for $400 to $600. The gap is almost entirely in parts markup. And if your rotors were above minimum thickness, you paid for parts you didn't need. Number 11. Power steering flush. BMW does not publish a scheduled maintenance interval for power steering fluid on most of their models. It's not in the CBS. It's not in the owner's manual. It's not a service BMW has defined a timeline for. And yet it appears on service recommendation lists at shops across the country, presented as routine maintenance. When BMW power steering does require attention, it follows a fault. A specific leak, a specific pressure issue, a specific code. Not a calendar. If a mechanic recommends this service and can't point to a fault or a CBS alert, it belongs on the invoice for exactly one reason. It sounds reasonable enough that most people won't question it. Number 12. Fuel injector cleaning on a healthy engine. BMW does not list fuel injector cleaning as a scheduled maintenance service in the owner's manual for the vast majority of their vehicles. One BMW X3 owner at 57,000 miles was quoted fuel injector service every 15,000 miles. That's 4 times the interval that most specialists would consider in an extreme case, let alone a preventive service on a car with no symptoms and no codes. Modern BMW fuel injectors are precision-machined components designed to run for high mileage on quality fuel. When they develop problems, the car tells you. Specific misfire codes, rough running, hesitation. At point, cleaning or replacement is the appropriate response. As a blanket scheduled item on a car running fine, it's margin padding dressed up as maintenance. Number 13. Air filter flagged before it's due. BMW engine air filters typically last 30,000 to 45,000 miles under normal driving. A mechanic who pulls your air filter during an oil change and holds it up under a fluorescent light can make almost any filter look like it needs replacing. Slightly dirty. Approaching end of life. We recommend replacing while we're in here. The filter itself costs $20 to $40 from any reputable parts supplier. Most shops charge $80 to $100 installed. Before any service appointment where an air filter is on the table, pull it yourself and look at it. If it's not visibly clogged, packed with debris, blackened throughout, it is not due. Your eyes are as good as theirs on this one. Number 14. Wheel alignment after every tire change. BMW alignment does need checking after suspension work, after a serious impact with a pothole or curb, or when a high-mileage car starts showing uneven tire wear. Those are specific triggers. Replacing a tire is not. Some mechanics recommend alignment checks with every tire change as a matter of routine. Most shops charge $150 to $250 for a full four-wheel alignment. A good independent tire and alignment specialist does the same job for $75 to $120. The only question that matters: is there a reason to think the alignment is out? If there isn't, if you haven't hit anything, if you're not seeing pull or uneven wear, the alignment check is upselling, not servicing. Number 15. Carbon cleaning and throttle body service, timed wrong. BMW's direct injection engines, particularly the N54 and N55, accumulate carbon buildup on the intake valves over time. Unlike older port injection engines, direct injection doesn't wash the valves with fuel on every cycle. The carbon builds up, and over high mileage it causes rough idle, reduced power, and misfires. Walnut blasting. A specialized service where walnut shell media is blasted through the intake to clean the valves is the correct fix. At a qualified independent specialist, this runs $400 to $700. That's a fair price for legitimate work on a high-mileage car. The overcharge comes in two forms. First, recommending this service too early, at mileages where carbon accumulation isn't yet significant enough to cause symptoms. Second, most shops quote the same walnut blast service at $900 to $1,200. The same result, the same equipment, $500 more on the invoice. If your BMW has above 80,000 miles and is showing rough idle or hesitation that isn't explained by other causes, carbon cleaning is worth investigating. If it's running cleanly and a mechanic is recommending this service preventively at 50,000 miles, that's the overcharge. 15 repairs. 15 documented gaps between what they charge and what the job is actually worth. The pattern is the same across every single one. It isn't incompetence. It's the assumption that you don't know what any of this costs, and that if you did, you'd be too embarrassed to push back. The moment you walk into a service appointment knowing fair prices, knowing your CBS schedule, knowing which services BMW actually recommends and when, that assumption stops working on you. Your BMW was built to run for a very long time. The main reason it doesn't is that too many owners spend so much protecting it from mechanical failure that they never question the bill. Now you have 15 reasons to start. If this saved you money, and it will, hit the like button and subscribe, because there's a lot more they're counting on you never finding out.